Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best Nintendo Switch games on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Animal Crossing's New Horizons. Animal Crossing New Horizons is the best game in the series yet. It streamlines many of the clunky aspects of earlier games and gives players plenty of motivation to keep shaping their island community. As you'd expect, it also looks better than any previous entry, giving you even more motivation to fill up your virtual home and closet. The sound design reaches ASMR levels of brain-tingling comfort. And yes, it certainly helps that New Horizons is an incredibly soothing escape from reality when we're all stuck at home amid a global pandemic. Number 2. Astral Chain Nintendo Switch. I was on the fence about Astral Chain from the day the first trailer came out until a good few hours into my playthrough. It all felt a little too generic, almost a paint-by-numbers rendition of an action game. I needn't have been so worried, as it's one of the more original titles to come from Platinum Games, the developer behind the Bayonetta series. In recent years, in a future where the world is under constant attack from creatures that exist on another plane of existence, you play as an officer in a special force that deals with this threat. The game's gimmick is that you can tame these creatures to become legions that you use in combat. Encounters play out with you controlling both your character and the Legion simultaneously to deal with waves of mobs and larger, more challenging enemies. As well as for combat, you'll use your legions to solve crimes and traverse environments. Number 3. Fire Emblem Three Houses. The Fire Emblem Three Houses is a must-play game. Developer Intelligent Systems made a lot of tweaks to its formula for the series' first outing on the Nintendo Switch, and the result of those changes is a game that marries Fire Emblem's dual personalities in a meaningful and satisfying way. You'll spend half your time as a master tactician, commanding troops around varied and enjoyable battlefields. The other half, you'll be teaching students and building relationships as a professor at the finest school in the land. Number 4. Kirby and the Forgotten Land. Kirby and the Forgotten Land brings Nintendo's lovable pink blob into 3D. Its structure is far less open and fluid than Super Mario Odyssey, but the game is similarly playful in spirit. The big hook is mouthful mode, wherein Kirby swallows and assumes the form of certain objects to get through specific stages. Apart from simply being amusing, enjoy Coaster Mouth Kirby or Bolded Storage Mouth Kirby. The way this repurposes ordinary materials and presents new sensations is delightful. Pipe Mouth Kirby turns a pipe into a rolling cylinder of destruction. Water Balloon Mouth Kirby turns you into a giant wobbly mass, and so on. While it starts recycling by the end, most of the game parades through new ideas in that classic Nintendo way. Though the story isn't Pulitzer stuff, its ending is wonderfully absurd. And like most Kirby games, it's breezy enough for folks of all skill levels, but not a total cakewalk on the default difficulty. Number 5. Metroid Prime Remastered. Metroid Prime Remastered modernizes one of Nintendo's greatest games, overhauling its models, textures, and lighting for aged, while staying at a locked 60 FPS, and adding a more comfortable dual-stick control scheme. It leaves the core game alone otherwise, which is a very good thing. Metroid Prime remains a masterwork in the atmosphere, one that captures the wonder and isolation of encountering an alien world through someone else's eyes. Though there is some combat as bounty hunter Samus Aran, this is more of a first-person exploration game than a first-person shooter. Some 20 years on, slowing down and taking in the world of Talon Force details remains entrancing. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.